Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to relearn your keys on your Audi A3 Sportback or of course on the S3 models. It's the same. The first step is we standing in front of the car outside. The car is standing there closed and we have our remote key in our hands. The remote key we are going to relearn on this car is really important because this device we have to hold outside of the vehicle. Then in that remote key there is a manual key too, and this key we will need for this job. We have to go not so much steps. It's easy, as you can see. The first thing is we have to take out the manually key by pushing the button on the upper left side. Then we have to enter into the relearn process by pushing the open button. Then we have approximately 30 seconds time to open the car. That means you have to rotate to the left side or to the counterclock side inside your lock on your car. Let's perform this. Rotate now left turn, and then you do not have to rotate right turn. It's enough with a left turn rotation. Then come out again and push the close or the open button. That is your choice. So you can see we can now switch again. We have to push the button to open to indicate the relearn status. Then we enter the emergency key into the lock and rotate it anti-clockwise. Get back and now push close or open button to complete the relearn process. After this, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.